Polimi Motorcycle Factory is a students team of Politecnico di Milano, and we built two motorcycles, one petrol prototype and one electric.
And we are all young engineers from the best engineering department of all over the world.
It's a lot of students, all with common interest and common goals, which is to build the fastest prototypes as we can.
So being good at engineering is not the only thing we're looking for.
A great member is dedicated to the project. A member that wants to achieve a result.
It takes a lot of passion, always.
The first quality is the ability of collaborating with other people.
We start with mechanical engineers and we end with designers and architecture.
We don't start from scratch. We make treasure of the past experiences, but we try to start over and build new prototypes with improvements.
We have to make sure that our prototype is fast and also reliable.
And given the structure of our competition and our limited budget, simulations are greatly important to us.
We need to simulate every single piece of the motorcycle in order to make our best.
We as a team started working with SIMULIA because of the reliability of the softwares. For the chassis and dynamics department, we rely on multi-body simulations as well as more, let's say, analytical simulation based on analytical calculations.
We use simulations for all the development of the external aerodynamics of our prototypes and also for the development of the intake system.
On the electrical side, SIMULIA helps us to develop and study the electric motor. With the electromagnetism side,
we adopted the 3D Experience platform because of the fact that we can work on the same project together.
It allows all the team members to see the development of our prototypes. Everybody can work on their environment, but there is also a shared environment where everybody can see the development of the process.
The use of different tools of SIMULIA is quite intuitive. So it helps us to work in an easy way.
We can see the modification made to a user and exchange ideas by simply modifying, for example, the drawings or the models.
SIMULIA provides us with a great level of confidence.
Together with 3D Experience platform, we want to win the competition.
I love the 3D Experience platform because it allows us to take the next level year after year and improve the performances of our prototypes.
I love the 3D Experience platform because it helps us reaching our dreams.
I love the 3D Experience platform because it is easy and it is similar to our team.